Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2021 Polestar 2 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight. It's just a regular factory headlight lens. And this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be down below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlights. So to prep them, all you need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with the clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the headlight may have. So to start with the installation, first we need to apply Slip Solution to the headlight lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. So just spray Slip Solution and on the adhesive side. And with this one, you want to align the film up to this edge here first. This, tuck it inside and align the film right on the edge right there. Once we have it on the edge, lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Make sure to keep it aligned and start tacking the film down. So we need to make sure we secure this section first. And now that this section is secured, the next thing we need to do is just make sure everything stays aligned while we're stretching the film to this edge here. So in order to help the adhesive activate faster, just apply a little bit of Tack Solution behind the film. Make sure this area is dry, and all we need to do is just stretch the film to reach it to this edge. So it's just a light stretch. Make sure everything stays aligned. So that should be good. I'll apply Tack Solution on the top surface of the film and start tacking it down. And then just make sure this reaches to the top edge here. So lift the film, apply Slip Solution, place it back down, and just stretch the film so it reaches the top edge. So now it's secured here. Apply Tack Solution, and now start securing the film. And you're going to have small fingers around this area. Just break them down. That way, once we apply heat, we're able to bring down the film. So to remove the fingers, apply Tack Solution and then apply heat and help break down the fingers. Once the fingers start shrinking, then we can start tacking them down. So a trick you could do is wrapping your microfiber towel around your squeegee and then squeegeeing at an angle in order to remove. So as you can see, most of them disappear, and now just continue, rinse and repeat until you remove the fingers. So it's starting to look like this. So just apply Tack Solution and heat, and you just rinse and repeat this process until you tack down all the fingers. You could clean the area around just to make sure you remove all the fingers. If you still have any, just bring them down with your squeegee, and that should be it. And just make sure before we do the final step, which is post heating, that you check all over the film. Make sure there's no water bubbles behind the film, because once we apply heat and seal the edges, we won't be able to remove the water bubbles. So just make sure you remove all the solution that's behind the film. And that should be it. And now we can move on to post heating the film. So once you're done installing the tint to your headlight, the last thing to do would be to post heat the entire film. So to post heat, all you need to do is apply Tack Solution all around the film. And with our heat gun, we're going to apply heat all over the film, especially on the edges and anywhere where we have the fingers. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And we're going to use a microfiber towel just to help absorb any solution that's behind the film. Go all around, apply heat all over the headlight, and once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2021 Polestar 2. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.